RISC-V set to announce 25% market penetration. Open standard ISA is ahead of schedule, securing the fast-growing silicon footprint. RISC-V IP revenue is expected to hit $2 billion before 2031 at this pace. As ARM has some competition in the reduced complexity chip space and is gaining ground quickly, RISC-V International plans to announce that silicon on open standard has reached 25% market penetration later this month, according to an announcement posted to LinkedIn. The market analysts SHD Group are primed to announce their findings on RISC-V market share at the RISC-V Summit, North Korea. RISC-V is an open standard, not to be confused with open source instruction set architecture ISA for CPUs, first established in 2014. For those unfamiliar, an instruction set architecture is a technical model that determines how computer software controls the computer processor. The ISA defines what instruction a processor can perform in order output computation. RISC-V reduced complexity ISA is most closely related to the ARM, also a RISC, IRSC, known for powering most mobile and some laptop devices. The RISC-V has swelled to 25%. Market penetration could come as a shock to industry analysts. While it's uncertain at this point whether the market in question refers to all silicon microprocessors or just the market the RISC-V has entered so far, those being mostly simple MCU for IoT and automotive use cases. The number still represents a mighty leap for the ISA. Just last year, Omdia predicted the RISC-V would hit 25% of the entire semiconductor market in 2030, reaching 17 billion chips shipped in 2030. Now the SDA Group's forthcoming estimate raised this number to 1 more or plus chips by 2031, eclipsing $2 billion in total revenue by this point. RISC-V International credits this increase in growth to RISC-V use in edge AI deployment, referring to more localized data hub serving smaller community rather than sending all works to a general cloud hub. RISC-V most essential distinguished factor is that it is an open standard working group and tech firms can access, use and iterate the RISC-V standard for free without paying licenses or entering into contract with the RISC-V governing body. ARM, on the contrary, makes the money off licensing the ARM instruction set and pre-designed CPU cores to client firms and chip makers, offering closer support to client companies while also receiving royalty from the use of its designs. The increased collaboration and community contribution have been a major hallmark of the RISC-V's continuous growth. Next one is Samsung to buy ASML most advanced lithography tools to rival TSMC. Samsung is expected to deploy high-NA EUV machines at its 2nm foundry lines, which will make Exynos 2600 AP and Tesla's next generation AI chips. Samsung Electronics Corporation, a leading memory chip maker, is making a renewed bet on next-generation semiconductor manufacturing, committing 1.1 trillion won, or $773 million, to acquire two of ASML Holdings NV most advanced extreme ultraviolet UV lithography machines by mid next year, a move seen as a critical step to regaining its technology edge in the global chip race. According to industry sources, on Wednesday, the South Korean tech giant is expected to take delivery of its first high numerical aperture high-NA EUV scanner, the TwinScan EXE:5200B, later this year, followed by a second unit in the first half of 2026. While Samsung already operates a resource-use high-NA EUV tool at its Hwaseong campus, the upcoming machines mark its first purchases instead to mass production, sources said. Next one is, ASML is prepared for China rare earth export controls. Finance head says company hedge stock thanks to long lead times. The chief financial officer of ASML has told Bloomberg that a lithography giant is well prepared for China's export control regime on rare earth elements and technologies for their mining and refining. The company has long lead time for its advanced tool, so it has plenty of raw materials and stock to support short-term demand from its clients. What happens after the company reserves deplete is something unclear, though. We have a long lead time, and therefore, also in our supply chain, we make sure that we have the material in that we need that for the next couple of months, said Roger Dason, CFO of ASML, in a conversation with Bloomberg. Under the new export control rules China imposed last week, companies have to get an export license to ship such rare earth materials as holmium, thulium, or ytterbium, or products based on these materials from China's Ministry of Commerce. So furthermore, China imposes its export control beyond its own border in products containing rare earth material originating from China if their value content with the product is more than 0.1% starting December 1st, 2025. So, next one is about TSMC. Intel's 18A production starts before TSMC competing into tech. Here's how the two process nodes compare. Production starts at Fab 52. Intel started volume production of its Core Ultra 3 series Panther Lake processor, the company said on Thursday. Intel's Panther Lake is a crucial CPU for the company, designed to demonstrate Intel's ability to develop a competitive processor and produce it internally using its leading-edge manufacturing technology. This is intended to enhance the company's reputation among clients, the general public, and potential foundry customers. While the official start of 18A production is a win for the company, as it is technically the first with 2nm class node in the production, it still faces a potent foe in TSMC, and the node merely represents catching up rather than taking the lead. Here's how the two nodes stack up. I think it's from the CNBC. TSMC hits yet another record as profit surges 39%, beating estimates on AI chip demand surge. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company on Thursday reported a 39.1% increase in third quarter profit from last year, hitting a fresh record as demand for artificial intelligence chips stayed strong. Here's the company research versus LSEG start estimate. Revenue NT 989.92 billion NT dollar, Taiwanese dollar, that is new Taiwan dollars versus 977.46 billion new Taiwan dollar expected. Net income 452.3 billion new Taiwan dollars versus 417.69 new Taiwan dollar. The TSMC revenue in the September quarter rose 30.3% from a year ago to 989.92 new Taiwan dollar, beating this estimate. TSMC's high-performing computing division, which encompasses artificial intelligence and 5G applications, above third quarter sales. As Asia's largest technology company by the market capitalization, TSMC has benefited from the artificial intelligence megatrend as it manufactures advanced AI processor for clients including NVIDIA and Apple. TSMC said that the advanced chips with a size 7 nanometers or smaller accounted for 74% of TSMC's total wafer revenue in the quarter. In the semiconductor technology, smaller nanometer sizes signify more compact transistor-led design, which lead to greater processor power and efficiency. Okay, thank you. Next one is Cadence partners with TSMC to power next generation innovation using AI flows and IP for TSMC advanced nodes at 3D Fabric. September 24th, 2025. The highlights: the Cadence AI design flows support the TSMC end-to-end A16 technologies. Cadence 3D IC solutions provide a comprehensive support for the latest TSMC 3D Fabric die stacking configuration and advanced packaging capabilities. Design in ready IP, including HBM4 and LPDDR6 and 5X, and TSMC N3P enables next generation AI infrastructure. San Jose, California. Cadence today announced major advancement in chip design, automation, and IP, driven by its long-standing relations with the TSMC to develop advanced design infrastructure and accelerate time to market for AI and HPC customer applications. Cadence and TSMC have collaborated closely across the spectrum from AI-driven EDA to 3D ICs to IP and photonics, enabling the world's most advanced semiconductors. Cadence announced major advances in chip design, automation, and IP, driven by its long-standing relationship with the TSMC to develop advanced design infrastructure to accelerate time to market for AI and HPC customer applications. So now the TSMC, Cadence and TSMC have worked together on design infrastructure for advanced process node, including TSMC N3, N2, and A16. Using Cadence Innovus implementation system, Quantus Extract solution for Quantus Field Server, Tempus timing solution, and ECO option Pegasus verification system, Vibrate characterization portfolio, Virtus IC power integrated solution, Genus synthesis solution, Virtus study and Spectres simulation platform, Cadence AI design flows for chip and 3D IC are now available for TSMC's advanced N3, N2, and A16 process technologies, as well as 4 new features in TSMC 3D Fabric. Now, additionally, Cadence is collaborating with the TSMC on EDA flow development for TSMC A14 process, with its first PDK to release later this year. Further, several new Cadence IP are now silicon proven and available for TSMC N3P. Cadence and TSMC remain committed to speeding up and improving the design process for advanced silicon for our customers, said Qin Shi-teng, a senior vice president and general manager of the digital sign-off group at Cadence. We are helping designers develop to the next generation of AI and HPC by supporting TSMC leading technologies with AI features, IP, and beyond. TSMC, together with our Open Innovation Platform, OIP, partners like Cadence, is addressing some of the most intricate challenges in the semiconductor development to drive higher performance and energy efficiency in AI systems. And Avi Kasakar, Director of the Ecosystem and Alliance Management Division at TSMC, our enduring partnership continues to empowering our mutual customers to accelerate their journey to silicon while driving rapid proliferation of AI. AI-driven chip design solutions for TSMC Advanced Process Technologies, Cadence and TSMC have partners on AI-driven design solutions for joint customers, enabling chip development with optimal power, performance, and area (PPA) in TSMC N2. TSMC has enabled Cadence JEDI solution. Cadence Cerebus Intelligence Chip explores AI-driven implementation technology and productivity features powered by the Innovus Plus AI assistants within Cadence Digital Full Flow. Additionally, TSMC have validated new AI-driven features such as automated design rule check, DRC, violation fixing assistance, enabling faster design closure and greater efficiency in the development of AI chips using TSMC N2. And so now, boosting the productivity for 3D IC designs. The Cadence 3D IC solutions provide comprehensive support for TSMC advanced packaging and die stacking configuration offered by 3D Fabric. The latest innovation includes automation features to bump connections, physical implementation and analysis for multiple chiplet, and smart alignment marker insertion. The AI-driven application of Cadence's Clarity 3D Solver and CDTX platform with the Optimality Intelligence System Explorer enables and automates the 3D blocks-based system-level SIPI analysis and optimization. Customers using TSMC Compact Universal Photonic Engine, TSMC COUPE, multi-wavelength reference flow can utilize Virtuoso Studio with Celsius Thermal Solver, along with the productivity enhancement developed by TSMC and Cadence, including effective thermal simulation techniques for lowering the risk of declining electrically and photonic performance. Leading-edge IP for TSMC N3P. Cadence continues to drive innovation in AI and HPC by delivering silicon-proven, cutting-edge IP solutions on TSMC's advanced processes, including N3P process technology, and help customers build faster, more efficient, and scalable systems. Cadence IP enables AI infrastructure by accommodating the memory and interconnect bandwidth capacity AI and other compute-heavy workloads. So new Cadence IP on TSMC N3P process technology, including the first HBM4 IP at N3P. high-speed memory interfaces like DDR-LP, DDR6 or 5X at 14.4 giga and the versatile DDR5 12.8 gig DMII Gen 2 IP that provided a wide range of options for customers as they address the memory war problem limiting AI computer systems. Cadence also leads in connectivity with the PCIe Express PCIe 7.1, 7.0 IP, achieving a 120 gigatransactor per sec, 224 gigaseconds for AI infrastructure, and the first USB eUSB 2 V2 and Universal Chiplet Connect UCIe 32 gig IP 32G 32 gig or 32G IP that support emerging AI PC and chiplet ecosystems, demonstrating its commitment to driving energy efficiency and scalable solutions for future workloads. Together, Cadence TSMC and the IP ecosystem are empowering the AI supercycle by streamlining the customer journey from design to silicon and enable customers to enhance design performance and energy efficiency. About Cadence, Cadence is a market leader in AI and digital twins, pioneering the application of computational software to accelerate innovation in the engineering design of silicon to systems. Our design solutions based on the Cadence's intelligent system design strategy are essential for the world's leading semiconductor and system companies to build their next generation products from chips to full electromechanical systems that serve a wide range of markets, including hyperscale computing, mobile communication, automotive, aerospace, industrial, life sciences, and robotics. In 2024, Cadence was recognized by the Wall Street Journal as one of the world's top 100 best managed companies. Cadence Solutions offer limitless opportunity. Learn more at www.cadence.com. Next one is Cadence Giving Foundation announces multi-year commitment to expand the AI Hub and San Jose State University. The San Jose, California, the Cadence Giving Foundation today announced multi-year the commitment to expand the AI Hub at San Jose State University (SJSU) to equip a student with the skills, hands-on training, and experience needed to excel in careers in artificial intelligence (AI). The Cadence Giving Foundation announced the multi-year commitment to expand the AI Hub and San Jose State University (SJSU) to equip the student with the skills, hands-on training, and experience needed to excel in careers in artificial intelligence (AI). The multi-year agreement will also include a significant donation of the AI design software and digital twins technology to SJSU from Cadence Design Systems, the foundation parent company. This partnership marks an important step toward the preparing the students to grow the every academic discipline at SJSU for success in an increasing AI-dominated economy. We are proud to support the emerging AI ecosystem at SJSU and to help develop and promote the workload of the future, said Katie Moore, Vice President of the Corporate Marketing at Cadence. Our priority at the foundation is to channel our specialized knowledge into meaningful community impact. and we believe this investment will do just that. The Cadence Giving Foundation joins NVIDIA, Adobe, the City of San Jose, and the Knight Foundation to build out the AI Hub. Located on the SJSU campus in the Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Library. This initiative will showcase the specialized laboratories across the 9 SJSU colleges and demonstrate the power of AI and digital twin technologies in solving complex multidisciplinary challenges. The San Jose's AI Hub, which is anticipated to officially open the summit in 2026, will provide students with hands-on training the experience to prepare the AI future-ready talent. This important partnership with the Cadence strengthens our ability to prepare students for the future of work, said SJSU, the president to Cynthia Tanian to Matt Masson. By collaborating through the innovation tools like digital twin software, we are ensuring the SJSU graduates are equipped to lead the responsible and human-centered use of artificial intelligence. Partnerships like this enforced San Jose State leadership at the interaction of higher education and technology and industry in the heart of Silicon Valley. About Cadence. Cadence is a market leader in AI and digital twins, pioneering the application of computational software to accelerate innovation in the engineering design of silicon to systems. Our solutions based on the Cadence intelligence system design strategy are essential for the world's leading semiconductor and systems companies to build their generation product from chip to full electromechanical system that serves a wide range of markets, including hyperscale computing and mobile communications, automotive, aerospace, industrial science, and robotics. In 2024, Cadence was recognized by the Wall Street as one of the world's top 100 best managed companies. Cadence Solutions offer limitless opportunity. Learn more at www.cadence.com. Okay, thank you for your time. See you next time.